Hey everybody, welcome to Shop Life. These are some of the projects we're working on right now. So right now on the Nakamura, we're set up to make bearings, which makes a nice big mess. Making bearings. And then, oh wait, this is a new bearing style.
It's a bushing.
Yeah. Our tool broke. That's where it broke. So in the code here, I hand wrote this. I actually wrote a block of code to make the tool spiral down, get bigger, and then tighter, because I'm creating kind of like a reverse hourglass shape inside the hole. It's not just a straight through where the ball bearing goes. So these balls actually are loose inside and can wiggle a little bit because you want it to be able to spin. So inside is like cupped on this side and this side. And in order to do that, I take my little lollipop and I spiral down, bigger, and then tighter. So I have a loop of code that makes one hole, and then I rotate the C and I loop it again. And I run that same code, and then I rotate the C and I run it again. So if you see just at the end here, there we go. We've got an end one, which will reset until the counter says 10. And then now I'm doing the engraving. Part off. Subspindle goes home. The part gets faced off. I'm going to do a quick optional stop. Pause. Confirm. And there's our part. So if I hit the foot switch, there we go. And then when I eject the part, the air blast comes on, it ejects into the pill bottle. So if I go memory, take off optional stop, now it's going to... There we go, that's what would normally happen, but I caught it in my hand. So these balls are actually, I'll have to confirm sizing with that brand new tool. They're obviously dirty and full of stuff, so I gotta dig through it and figure it out. I don't know if this is perfect, actually. I don't like it. So the clip on our zoom just fell off. I don't know where the screw is, lost it, whatever. Turns out our knife screws fit perfectly. So we found a super gold one. Already gold anodized titanium. Gonna mount that guy right in there. That's handy. And now it looks good. You like my new smock? Angela lent it to me. I don't know, I'm still on the fence with the whole smock thing. But there's chips in the pockets, that's pretty cool. Yeah. Chips.